So this is example 4, oblique cabinet, half depth. So in the previous oblique, I used this front view. I made a modification to it because this vertical plane is actually closer to me than these two vertical planes. So what we'll do is we'll just modify by deleting those. And we're going to make sure that our object, our tracking, polar tracking is set to 45 because we're doing a 45-degree angle oblique. Go to my line command, I'll start my depth. We got a depth of 6. So 45 degrees, 6, enter. Oops. Of course I keep making this mistake. Delete that. Go into the line command, click onto this front edge, 45 degrees. So since it's a cabinet half depth, I need to cut that 6 in half and make it 3. The height will stay the same at 4. Now coming back this way here, that's a depth line, so it's the original is 2, so I'll make that 1. Go straight down 2 for the height, and then just connect to this back edge. Create that plane there. 2, 2, and then connect 45-degree angle depth line, 1, enter, and then that will finish off that front cube, or that back cube. Start here on this point. It's going to be a depth, so I'm going back. It's half depth, so it's going to be, instead of 4, cut it in half and make it 2, enter. Now I'll just go through and make that 2 by 2 by 2 square. Common mistake. It's going to be 1. Over 2. Set up, this is the depth line, so it's going to be 1. Last thing to do is just go into that intersection, make sure it's the intersection at the midpoint. Zoom out. That will be our oblique cabinet half depth for example 4.